Hello and welcome back to Sci-Fi Tech. In this video I want to do a teardown of this meat thermometer. I want to see how it works and I want to see if it's any parts worth salvaging. Let's get started. First I'm going to go and just simply open it up. No using a screwdriver is needed because there's no screws for this part. Simply open it up, pull on the wire, and on the end of the wire has a thermal resistor. Let's have a closer look. This little thermal resistor is what's used to measure the temperature. And a closer look, you can see that it's a glass ampule, and this glass ampule contains some kind of liquid, and the state and the resistance of the liquid will change depending on the temperature. Higher temperature, the more energy the liquid will have, which is getting closer to a gaseous state, which causes less resistance. And a colder temperature will cause it to be less energetic, and it becomes more of a liquid closer to a solid, which then therefore becomes more resistant. And now take the screwdriver and see a screw, take a screw, see a screw, take a screw, and remove all of the screws I can find. And there, the screws are now removed, and now I can pull out the circuit. And as you can see, it's a very simple circuit with a small little LCD panel that comes off very easily. I find this one to be very interesting. I can probably use this one for a future project, and this little battery right here still seems to work, so I can probably use that as well. Push out the battery. Okay, so I can probably use that battery in the future. And looking at this board, there's only a few surface mount components I could possibly use, but not really sure if I would. And this little battery holder, I can definitely use this battery holder for something. Probably the same battery that's in it to use for something else. These wires are very useful, so simply pull them off. And here are all of the components that I have salvaged. This thermal resistor is very useful, can definitely use that in the future. This LCD, probably can use that in the future as well. And this battery holder is definitely something I'm interested in. And a few other surface mount components I might use, but probably not. And there you have it. Now you know what's inside of a meat thermometer, how it works, and what kind of components are worth salvaging. Thank you for watching Sci-Fi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future Sci-Fi Tech videos. To the next tech, goodbye.